Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're a cat parent, you are going to want to check out this amazing cat house slash scratching pad that is going to keep your cat entertained, occupied, happy, and off of scratching your furniture.
This cardboard cat scratcher house by MS Makesure is perfect for my cat Kike. As you can see, even in the construction of it, she knew it was for her. And that's something I really appreciate about it is it did require a little bit of basic assembly, but it just shows how sturdy this cat house is. So it's not like your average scratching board. It is really, really durable. My cat is about 8 pounds and she just gets a kick out of sitting on top of this house. She loves to scratch it. She literally started scratching it immediately. And I think that it's super unique because it is obviously a house. So there's so many different surfaces for your cat to scratch, for your cat to sit on and explore or sit in. And it has that scratching material all along the inside and also all along the outside on the walls. So there's so many different surfaces for your cat to scratch, for them to be entertained. She even brought her toy in there. So I really love that because cats can get bored so easily, and I appreciate that there's so many different surfaces for my cat to be able to scratch, which means that this is going to last her a while too because she's going to be able to keep scratching it. She honestly loves it so much, and I am so, so happy.
I am really impressed with the quality and the structure of this cat house, and I love that it has so many different surfaces for my cat to scratch to keep her super interested, occupied, and off of the furniture. I highly recommend checking this out if you need your cat to scratch something that isn't your belongings. I think that you're going to be really impressed with it, but that's just my point of view.